For over 25 years, Avid Shared Storage has been at the heart of collaborative post-production. Avid NEXIS was built to scale for the most demanding editorial workloads and can be deployed on-premise or in the cloud. Today, teams need more than just access to their media. They need their entire workflow wherever they are and in whatever tools they use. And they need to do it cost-effectively. Introducing Avid NEXIS Remote. Break down the walls of the facility and access your post-production pipeline wherever you go. Available now for Avid NEXIS cloud deployments and coming in 2026 for all Avid NEXIS F-Series and Pro Plus systems at no additional cost. No per-user licenses or add-ons. Enable Avid NEXIS Remote and you can mount your workspaces wherever you are. No proxies required. These are not representations of your media, they are the real thing. High resolution, high performance, fully secured. The same collaborative project sharing and bin locking workflows trusted by the industry's biggest film and television productions now go wherever you do. Avid Media Composer integrates directly with the intelligent caching engine, reading ahead in the timeline so the material you need is always available when you need it. Working with lower bandwidth or higher latency? No problem. Pre-cache bins, clips, or sequences without the need to stop working. Using Adobe Premiere Pro? With the integrated NEXIS remote panel, you can select what you want to cache directly in the application. And for the rest of your pipeline, whether it's audio in Pro Tools, color, finishing, or visual effects, you can browse your NEXIS workspaces on the desktop, pin what you need, and start working. And it runs on both Mac and Windows environments. And even better, Avid NEXIS Remote helps reduce storage costs by enabling editorial workflows from cost-efficient cloud storage tiers, making large-scale cloud production more affordable than ever. Avid NEXIS Remote. Real-time collaboration without boundaries.